I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to use powerful combination by using Ollama Qwen code Nemotron 3 Super with this free coding. So opening the command prompt. So let's use the cs command. If I write there Ollama minus minus version, so you can see 13% that install. If I write there Qwen minus minus version, so you can see Qwen version 17 that install. Right there, Ollama. Then here you can get this option. So chat with model here you can use this codex, this one. Now if I scroll down, then you can get this given code. So press right arrow, then you have this option. So this lecture about Nemotron 3 Super. Okay. So this selected there. Now press enter. Press enter, wait for few second times. Now you can get this. So here given code this version and here model is Nemotron 3 Super. Thereafter you can ask any query there. Let's give it hi. So just a moment, I am finding the right. So here this is returning there. After that you can ask any question related with the coding. So how to find highest and second highest salary in MongoDB. So this is my question is there. You can ask any question. I just given this question highest and second highest salary in MongoDB. So this is now crafting a response. We need answer this to get highest salary. This is returning there. Second highest for this one. Return this one, that this. Okay, three query. You can 1, 2, 3 and or three queries there. You can try this. After that, you can ask any question with this combination. This is free. And it has some limit also, but this you can or do the powerful combination Ollama Qwen code Nemotron 3 Super. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.